Hi friends, welcome you to my channel Way to Learn MS Excel. Today we will learn simple VLOOKUP. As you know, VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. Generally, we use VLOOKUP formula if our data is in vertical form. Here you can see I have raw data which contain employee code and employee name in column A and column B respectively. And in column D, we have list of employee code for whom I have been asked to find out the employee name against the each employee code. Column A and column B is our table array, means the data where I have to search my result, and column D is my lookup value which I am asked to find out the name of employees. Here you can see employee code is common and unique in table array and lookup value. So yes, for VLOOKUP it is necessary to ensure one common column. In table array, the column which is to be considered as a column index number 1 and so on means you can see here for table array A and B, A is to be considered column index number A and B as a column index number 2. Okay, hope you understand the column index number. Now we will use VLOOKUP formula in two scenarios. First scenario is VLOOKUP in same workbook, and second VLOOKUP in two different workbook. And now then we will understand what is the difference between same workbook and different workbook. So let us start the first scenario, which is VLOOKUP in same workbook. I have typed VLOOKUP formula, lookup value I have selected B2, then comma, table array I have given the range, then comma. Now it is asking for column index number, so I will put here 2 because I need the name of employee and which is in column index number 2. Then I will close the bracket, enter. I will copy this formula and do copy paste till end. Okay, so as you can see, my VLOOKUP formula is not able to find out the employee code E0009. However, it is in my raw data. You can see here. Now we will try to find out the reason why my VLOOKUP formula is not capturing the result. In the first cell, my table range is A1 to B31. But the moment I copy paste this formula to the below cell, the range got changed A2 to B32. And this range got changed in every cell as we do copy paste the formula. So this is the reason my VLOOKUP formula is not capturing the result. So what we need to do firstly I have to fix the table array range using $sign by selecting this table array range and pressing F4 key. Okay, so F4 key is the basically shortcut to fix to use the by using $sign and fix the cell. Okay, now again I will do copy and paste the formula in same way what I have done earlier. So here, so now we can see the result is showing correctly. Now we will use second scenario of VLOOKUP, which is VLOOKUP in two different workbook. So in the same way I will use VLOOKUP. Okay, I will type VLOOKUP. Okay, then I will select table array, column index number. Okay, now I will Okay, I will copy this formula and paste here. Okay, now we have completed the VLOOKUP. So we will understand here something by pressing F2 key. We will understand the formula. Okay, so now the only difference you can see here is when we use VLOOKUP in two different workbook, then we didn't require to fix the table array range. So here the conclusion is that the main difference between the VLOOKUP using in same workbook and using in two different workbook is that we didn't require dollar sign or the dollar sign to fix the table array range. So this is the main difference. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.